Sorry, I again came late. Looked at his wristwatch. I'm 2 hours late. I'm extremely sorry, Minnie. I was ready to come here, but an important case come and I cut off. Jimin, it's okay, Yoongi. I'm not angry. First go and freshen up. Jimin, I will quickly come. I'm really sorry. Jimin, it's okay. Now go. I'm here. Don't worry. Yoongi left from there and Jimin ordered lemonade for themselves. After 5 minutes, Yoongi came there and sat in front of Jimin. Yoongi, Minnie, I'm really sorry. I promised you that I won't be late this time, but see, I again late. I'm extremely sorry for that. I just hate myself. I never fulfilled my any promise which I did with you. Jimin hold Yoongi's hands. Yoongi, just look at me. Look into my eyes. Did you see any sadness or disappointment in my eyes? Answer me. Yoongi looked into Jimin's eyes and shook his head. No, there isn't any sadness or disappointment. In fact, it's shining. Jimin, yes, they are shining because of your love. I really love you so much. I understood your work too. You are a surgeon. I know your first priority will always be your work, not me. And I'm totally fine with it. In fact, I'm so proud of you. My husband can save others' life. Now cheer up or I don't wanna have dinner with this cry man. Yoongi smiled a little bit. Why are you like this, Minnie? I'm so blessed to have you as my husband. I don't know how I got you. What good deeds did I do to get you in my life? Jimin, you saved so many people's life and yeah, I know I'm too good, said proudly. Yoongi kissed on his forehead. Yes, you are. Waiter, excuse me sir, would you like to do order now? Jimin, yeah, sure, and sorry for waiting you. Ordered their food. Yoongi, what's this, Minnie? You ordered only my favorite dishes, not yours. At least order your favorite dessert. Jimin, you are my favorite dish. I will eat you today. Showed his teeth. Yoongi acted to scare. OMG, I'm so scared. I don't know. My cute and sensible husband became a vampire. Jimin, yes, I will drink your blood. Approached to his neck. Yoongi tilted his neck. Yes, please, vampire, come and drink my blood. Jimin hid on his neck. What's Yoongi? You spoiled all the fun. At least you should scare a little bit. Yoongi, if a vampire is this much cute, then who will refuse him? Come and bite me. Jimin, okay, fine. I'm going to bite someone else. Stood up. Yoongi immediately pulled him towards himself. No, this cute vampire is only mine. He can suck only my blood. Jimin giggles. You're such an over-possessive surgeon. Yoongi giggles too, only for my cute vampire. Yoongi is fine now. Jimin purposely did this to pull him back from his guilt. He loves Yoongi so much. He knows Yoongi always tried to give him some times. But being a surgeon, he always is stuck in work and he can't deny his work. Suddenly he felt a sting of pain in his stomach and he wanna use washroom. He already went washroom 3 times since he came here. Jimin, Yoongi, leave me. I have to go washroom. Yoongi, stop making excuses. I won't let you go, my cute vampire. Jimin, Yoongi, please try to understand. It's really urgent. I can't hold it for more time. Please. Yoongi leaves his hand. Okay, go. Jimin immediately ran from there. Time skipped at night. Yoongi was talking with his secretary to know about tomorrow's appointment. Jimin was sitting on the bed while holding his stomach. He was thinking something. Jimin, in mind, what happened to me? Why is my tummy hurts from past few days? I'm so tired of going washroom again and again. I guess I went washroom more than 20 times today. Is this a problem? Should I tell this to Yoongi? Looked at Yoongi, who was looking tensed. No, I shouldn't disturb him. He is already very busy. If I tell him, then he will be worried for my health. No, I can't tell him anything. I should take medicine. If my stomach ache increases, then I will tell him. Right now, it's a little bit pain. It will be fine after taking the medicine. With that, he took the medicine from first aid box and gulped it with the help of water. Yoongi saw him and came to him. Yoongi, Minnie, which medicine you just eat? Do you have any problem? Aren't you well? Wait, let me check you first. Come, lay down. Jimin, hold his hand. Yoongi, calm down. I'm fine. It's just a normal headache. I took the medicine. It will be fine soon. Don't worry. Yoongi, why did you take medicine by yourself? You should tell me. I check you first. Jimin, yeah, I know my husband is a very famous surgeon, but it doesn't mean I disturb him on small things. It's a normal headache. I can take medicine without doctor's prescriptions. Yoongi, strictly, don't be over smart, okay? And tell me, which medicine you take? Jimin, in mind. Now what should I tell to him? I don't know its name. I know him very well. Now he won't leave this topic easily. Yoongi, with crossed arm. What are you thinking? I think I asked something from you. Jimin, I'm thinking the answer. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. What? Jimin, nervously, yeah, I'm thinking the answer of your stupid question. Of course, I ate the medicine which you brought for headache. Don't forget, always you buy the medicines and other stuffs for first aid kit. Now I'm going to sleep. I already have a headache, so I can't be able to answer your any question. Good night. Quickly covered himself with the blanket. Yoongi, I haven't finished yet. Jimin, in baby voice. Minnie already slept. You should also sleep. Yoongi smiled at his cute voice. I think I'm overthinking. He is right. I brought the medicines for the first aid kit. I will talk to him tomorrow. Let him rest. Said in mind. With that, he also lay down beside him and pulled him closer to himself. Jimin immediately hugged him tightly. Yoongi kissed on his head and they both slept together while cuddling with each other. Time skipped in the morning. Jimin woke up from his sleep and found himself alone on the bed with pillows. He understood Yoongi already went for his work. He came into living room after finishing his morning routine. He saw a note on the center table, so he picked it. A sweet smile crept on his face after reading it. My love, I already prepared a special breakfast for you. I hope you are fine now. No need to go anywhere today. Take rest, and if you aren't feeling well, then immediately call me. If my phone is busy, then call to my secretary. Take care of yourself. I will come home early today. Love you a lot. Jimin smiled. My lovely husband. Despite having a very busy schedule, he made breakfast for me. He truly cares for me. I'm so blessed to have him in my life. He always tries to give me his love. His unconditional love for me reflects by his care. I'm fine now. My stomach is also fine. There is no pain. I should eat my yummy breakfast. Licked his lips. Meanwhile, with Yoongi was busy in reading his patient's report. Suddenly, he remembered about Jimin and he called his secretary in his cabin. Secretary, doctor, you called me? Yoongi coldly. Book an appointment for full body checkup and tell me the date and time. Secretary, sure. You can get day after tomorrow's date. Is it okay? Yoongi, okay. Book the appointment. Secretary, patient's name? Yoongi, Jimin. Secretary, his age? Yoongi, 23 years old. Secretary, does he has any medical history? Yoongi, no. Secretary, sorry sir, but if he doesn't has any problem, then why does he wanna do full body checkup? Yoongi, there is nothing wrong to do full body checkup, and every person should does this once in a year, so they will well aware of their health. Now, do you have any query? Secretary, sorry doctor, who will pay for it? Yoongi, I will pay. Bring me the receipts. May I come in? Yoongi looked at the door. Yes, you can. To secretary, you can go now. Secretary left from there. Which receipt you want from her? Yoongi, nothing hobby. I booked an appointment for Minnie's full body checkup. For that's receipt. I asked from her to pay the bills. Name, Dr. Jung-ho-shook. Age 26 years. Profession, surgeon. Nickname, Hopi. relation, Yoongi's best friend. He recently joined the hospital and did 10 surgeries too. He has 100% success rate. He never met with Jimin. He only heard about him by Yoongi. Hobie worried. For Minnie, what happened to him? Is he fine? Yoongi, relax Hobie, he is fine. It's just from past few days he was looking pale. He gets tired easily. Usually he is very energetic and chaotic, but from past few days he became a little silent. Yesterday I saw him taking medicines. When I asked to him, he said he had a headache, so he ate the medicine. Hobie, congratulations, you are going to become a dad. Yoongi angrily glared at him. Stop your nonsense, I'm serious. Hobie, scared. Why so serious? I was just kidding to lighten up your mood. I know boys can't be pregnant. You are worried for nothing. He must be tired. Yoongi, I hope this will be the reason. Hobie, don't worry, he is fine. And you did good to take an appointment. If he is hiding something, then you will know after seeing the reports. By the way, does Minnie know about this? Yoongi, not yet. If he gets to know, then he will run away. He hates hospital and medical stuffs. I will tell him at the last moment so that he won't be able to run away from here. Hobie, nice idea. By the way, if Minnie this much hates from hospital and medical stuffs, then how did he marry to you? Yoongi, very funny. Did you come here to waste my time? Hobie, no, I came here to invite you for the lunch. Come, let's do lunch together. Yoongi, okay, let's go. Time skipped at the night. Jimin again started feeling pain in his stomach. He already took the medicine but nothing working. His pain started increasing. He thought to take cold shower so that his pain will decrease a little bit. He was showering but then he started having unbearable pain. He was feeling like throw up and dizzy. Now he can't bear more. He quickly wore the bathrobe and picked his mobile near the sink and dialed Yoongi's number. But as usual, he didn't pick the call. He was busy in an important surgery. He called his secretary, then she informed him that he is busy in important surgery. It will take him at least 30 to 40 minutes. He called to receptionist for an ambulance, but then receptionist told him that there is huge plane crash happened and the hospitals, all the ambulance and doctors are busy there, so they can't attend him. Jimin decided to call Yoongi after 40 minutes. Time skipped after 1 hour. Yoongi came at home after 1 hour. He unlocked the door by the spare key. He was looking very tensed. He immediately came at home after the surgery. His secretary informed him about Jimin's call. He called Jimin many times but he didn't pick his calls. Yoongi shouts, Minnie! Minnie! Where are you? Why aren't you answering my calls? Are you angry from me because I came late? Minnie, answer me! He was calling to Jimin. Suddenly he heard Ring's voice from their room's washroom. He quickly ran there. The scene he saw in front of his eyes gave him a heart attack. He saw Jimin was laying on the floor while holding his mobile. He was wearing a bathrobe. Yoongi's heart skipped a beat to see his love of life like this. Jimin already passed out 50 minutes ago. Yoongi went near him with trembled feet. He dropped on his knees and put his head on his lap and started patting his cheeks to wake him up. But he didn't wake up. He checked his nerves and sighed in relief to know that he only passed out. He quickly made him dressed up and took him to the hospital. Yoongi did some tests and waiting for the reports. He was impatiently waiting for his reports. Jimin was still unconscious, which increased his nervousness even more. He was very scared. Nurse, doctor, patient's report has come. Yoongi took the reports from her hand. What's in this? Nurse, he has an appendix and immediately needs to operate. Yoongi, what? Get ready operation theater. I will do his operation right now. Nurse, but we need to fill his form first. Yoongi, I will fill the form. You go and prepare everything. Yoongi was hurriedly filling the form for operation. Nurses were preparing the operation theatre. Yoongi's hands were shaking a lot while filling the form. He was so scared for Jimin, so many negative things coming inside in his mind. He gave the form to receptionist. Yoongi, I fill the form. Now complete the formalities as soon as possible. I wanna do this operation as soon as possible. Receptionist, sure Dr. Min. Let me check the form first. After checking the form, sorry doctor, you can't do this operation. Yoongi angrily shout, What? What rubbish are you talking? Why can't I do this operation? Nurse, doctor, please calm down first. Yoongi, what calm down, huh? How can you stop me for doing this operation? I'm a surgeon. I'm here to do surgeries. Yoongi was literally yelling on her. Everyone was looking at them. Hearing his shouts, Hobie came there. Hobie, Dr. Min, what happened? Why are you shouting on her? Please calm down. Yoongi looked at him. How can I calm down, Dr. Jung? Hobie, tell me what happened. Yoongi, I have to do an important surgery and she is stopping me. Hobie, what? Wait, let me talk to her. Yoongi, yeah, talk to her and remind her that I am a well-reputed surgeon. She can't stop me like this. Hobie, calm down. I am talking to her. To receptionist, why are you stopping him to do operation? Receptionist, Dr. Jung, I am stopping him to do surgeon because the patient is his husband and according to the rules, he can't operate him. But Dr. Min isn't ready to listen anything. It's a rule that a surgeon can't operate his or her family members and friends because of affection. He or she can't be able to stable his or her mind. It can cause patient's life. Hobie, what? Minnie is admitted? What happened to him? Yoongi, he has an appendix and needs to operate as soon as possible, but she is stopping me to operate him. Hobie, she is right. You can't operate Minnie. You love him a lot. You can't be able to control on your emotions and it can be risky for Minnie. Yoongi, then what should I do? Here is no other surgeon left. Everyone is busy in playing crash case. Now what will happen to Minnie? What the use of mine to be a surgeon when I can't save my Minnie's life? Emotional breakdown. Hobie, don't worry, I am a surgeon too. I can do Minnie's operation. I never met with him before, so I don't have any affection for him. Yoongi looked at him. No, I can't allow you to do his operation. You aren't experienced one. I can't take this risk. Sorry. Hobie, I know I'm not that much experienced like you, but I have 100% success rate. Trust me, nothing will happen to Minnie. I promise to you, and you don't have any other option. Here is only we two who can do surgeries. You can't do this, so only I left. Please let me do. We shouldn't waste the time. It's for Minnie's life. Yoongi, hold his hands. Please save him. He is my life. If anything happened to him, then I can't live. Hobie reassured him. I promise to you, nothing happened to Minnie. Have trust on me and your love. Time skipped after 1 hour. It's almost 1 hour since operation started. Yoongi was walking forth and back in tension. His heart was beating so fast. He can't be able to express his feelings. Only negative thoughts came inside his mind. He has full trust on Hobie, but still, he can't control on his emotions. This 1 hour seems too ages for him. Every passing second increased his heartbeats. After 5 minutes, door opened and revealed Hobie. He came outside and Yoongi immediately went to him. Yoongi, Hobie, what happened? Is he fine? Hobie smiled. Operation is successful. He is fine. I successfully removed the appendix from his stomach. Now there is no danger. Yoongi sighed in relief. Thank you so much, Hobie. You gave me the biggest happiness of my life. Thanks for saving my life's life. Hobie, it's my duty. No need for thanks. Yoongi, when will I see him? Hobie smiled. You are also a surgeon. You know everything. Then also you are behaving like this. I can understand your desperation, but have some patience. We will soon shift him into the ward. Yoongi nervously. Oh yeah, I can't wait to see him. Time skipped after some times. Yoongi was sitting beside Jimin while holding his hands on his. He was looking at him without blinking his eyes. He was talking with Jimin's sleeping figure. After a few minutes, Jimin regained his consciousness and saw Yoongi beside him. Jimin weakly, Yoongi. Yoongi looked at him and immediately hugged him tightly. Minnie, you wake up. I was so worried for you. I love you so much. Jimin, Yoongi, I'm fine. See, I'm with you. Why are you worried now? Hobie cleared his throat. Leave him, he's so weak. Yoongi looked at him. Hobie, sorry to ruin your movements, but I have to check him. May I? Yoongi broke the hug. Yeah, please. Hobie, while checking him, how are you, Minnie? Jimin, I'm fine, but having little bit weakness. Hobie, that will be fine soon. Jimin, can I ask something? Hobie, yes, you can. Jimin, how do you know my nickname? Only Yoongi called me by this name. Yoongi, Minnie, he's Dr. Jung Ho Shuk, my best friend Hobie. You never met with him, but he knows everything about you. Hobie, yes, Minnie, he always talks about you. Jimin blushed hard. Okay. Hobie, before you can ask, let me tell you that you will get discharged after 24 to 26 hours. Now I'm going. You both can continue your romance. Nobody disturb you. Immediately left from there. Yoongi, little bit serious. Minnie, now tell me, why did you hide your illness from me? Jimin, I didn't know that it's serious. I was having stomachache only. You were already very busy. I thought to not make you more worried. Sorry. Yoongi, hold his hands. Minnie, baby, please listen to me very carefully. You are my life. I can't let anything happen to you. You don't know what happened to me to see your lifeless body at the washroom. I almost lost my life. Now promise to me that you will never hide your illness from me, not even a little bit sneeze too. Jimin, I promise to you, but you also promise me that you won't give me that big and scary injections. Yoongi, I can't promise to you. If you need injection, then I will definitely give it to you without any hesitation, and you have to take it without any tantrums. Is it clear? Jimin, okay, I will take it. You are so meanie. Yoongi, but this Minnie loves his Minnie a lot. Jimin, I love you too, Yoongi. Never hide your illness from your loved ones. Maybe for yourself you are nothing, but for others you can be their life. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. This is requested one shot. I got this request months ago, but I couldn't make it due to my busy schedule. But I promised to her that I will make another one shot on her request. And today I am fulfilling my promise. I am a girl of my words. If I promise anything, then I will definitely do that. I always keep my promises. It's a different from my writing style. I hope I didn't disappoint her. Tell me, how's it? We will meet soon with another one shot. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.